Senpai, the 7. Alright, we're opening this one. Yes, another Senpai Goddess Heaven. The past boxes were very nice. They were very cool cards. Okay, we have a special pack. This a thick card. I'm not very big fan of thick cards, but that's okay. And I think there will be a lot of bikinis, so it's only natural for us to find the most revealing card in this set, at least from the ones that I will open. I just want to open the pack and see what's inside. Let's go. There are 5 or 6 cards. Yeah, man, look at that. Look at that bikini, let's go. We have, alright, let's see at the back. It's red. Ooh, the back feels nice, man. It's nice, very nice. Okay, and if not the May, the May, if not the name, which is why I said it, May, I wouldn't recognize her. That's Fate, that's very cool. Also nothing in revealing territory, there's nothing special yet. Damn, son! Ultra rare, just like that. And no other than Rios Grammary, the boob queen herself. Man, and I also love that the shine there is different. You can enjoy the clean side boob and the shiny between boob. Like, what the fuck? I don't know what. And we have a ZR. What the fuck is this? That's the first pack, man. All the hits are here. Oh, it feels very nice, the texture. I love it. Also, the other rarities have the other back colors. And guys, if you want to buy this set, there will be links in the video description. After buying a box, message the seller tcgcomrade, then he will include 1 promo pack for you. Just be aware, if you're already buying the box with promo pack, remind him that he needs to add 1 extra. Okay, Gato Hitori. Looks kind of familiar, but I don't know. Sheesh. Pink Leopard. Okay. Don't fucking know who you are. That's, I believe, is Genshin. Every time when I see a Genshin character, I say, I believe that's Genshin. Because I played like only for a few. Ultra rare in this pack too. Damn. Because I played only for a few hours, like 10, maybe 12 hours. I enjoyed it, but I dropped it. Because that's like ass. Holy shit, man. I love this. On the quality wise, they got better. Not as that are. What the fuck is happening here? But they even got the quality better, which is a rare thing to happen with these cards on AliExpress. Damn! I don't know what to say. Imagine your dick being stuck in there. Okay. I said it. I'm sorry. It just came up my mind. I want to see what's inside. It's a thick card, yes, so I was correct with that, which I'm not a big fan of. It's orange. Why is it thick? Nobody knows. Is she thick? Yes, she is. Also, I believe I need to blur this one just a little bit, because on the right angle you can see there something that YouTube doesn't want you to see. The shine is kind of cool. Look at it going like... If that wouldn't be in real Tosaka, I would be way more happy, but okay. That's kind of... And also, I'm not gonna include this card to the most revealing card contest, because, I don't want to blur again at the end of the video. Probably it would have won anyway, so it's boring, right? But on the revealing part, I think this one comes very close to... It has some close, but also not that much. So I think I'm gonna just put it there for the contest of revealing. We might have seen a little bit more revealing, but it feels like she's revealing because the thing is dropping from her hand. So 1 second later and we're gonna see some boobs, right? So that's the vibes that this card gives, so that's why I'm putting there. But then we have Mitsuri from Demon Slayer with her huge ponytails. Very cool card to get. Himiko, don't know who you are, babe, but you're looking fire. If you follow the clothing here, on this side, you kind of see that it, like there on the shoulder, it stops there. But on this side, you don't see it. So it just goes there and it's slowly turning into her skin. Another ultra rare, which is kind of cool. We're getting ultra rares in each pack. That's awesome. Very nice lingerie, not gonna lie. And we have, man, a double. A booty double. ZR. Come on, man. It feels painful to get a ZR double. I haven't even had a freaking SSR double, but I already have a ZR. But we opened only a few. This feels thick. There is thick. There's thick. There's thick card. There's something very, very, very special. And also Tatsumaki looking hella cute. Love it. Let's go further. Hey, that's Power. That's awesome. Power looks very cute and I enjoy that. We have Yoimiya. Don't know who that is. Is it Genshin Impact chick? But she gained a lot of weight in certain places, not gonna lie. It also looks like body of Nami from One Piece, but it's not her face, so I don't know what... Let's go! That's my favorite quintessential quintuplet. That's my favorite one. That's the waifu for me. Holy shit, that's awesome. And that's an ultra rare, and she's revealing so much love. Okay, but now for a, you know, for a big, thick card, look at that. It's even like beautiful color on the back. Who we are gonna get? Would be the same rarity as this one? That's the question. It's not, it's an SP. And then somebody that I don't know. The freaking build-up is just... crushes here. Also, I'm gonna include Nino to the contest. Thank you for showing those, and we're gonna move on. Oh, that's nice. Hatsune Miku, a good one. Megumin, hey, that's kinda cute. That's cute. Alright, cool. Fuck me, man, another ultra rare double. I mean, another high rarity double, not even the SSR. No way, mate. Oh my god. Ah! Please don't do this again. I hate SSR doubles. That's not why I said, like, I don't like this either, so you misunderstood me, the box. But I rather have an SSR double than, like, how to call it? The high rarity double. Why did I say that? I mean, yes, but also no. Please don't give me any doubles. That would be really cool. Thank you. Don't fucking know who you are, but sure. Ah! It hurts. Please don't be a double, thank you. But it's a thick card, by the way, I haven't even noticed. I mean, it's a little bit thicker, so that's my limit. That's cool, that's alright. Also, thank you for the special angle there. That's also very much appreciated from web traveler community. There are not like that many chicks that, I mean, respectfully, chicks. The fuck is this video? That are more naked than the other ones, because most of them have like, god damn it, most of them have like, god damn it, woo, why don't I go more? Like just a bikini and that's it. So I don't know if I will pull through with this contest that I started at the beginning. So there are some slight issues with her t-shirt, so I'm gonna just do this. If we're being honest, this card and the other card, this right there, for the time being they're most revealing, but I don't want to show them. There's also a semi-thick card at the end of this, so please don't be a double for fuck's sake. Alright, let's fucking know who you are. We have already seen you, sadly. Another Mega Man, and that's another rare. And she has her head. That's what I found, but I didn't say it. There are not many Mega Man cards without the mage attributes. It's not that much close on her, which is kind of cool. And we have Fate. Also, the other XR is also Fate. Thank you for the double angle. That's, I love those. There's something there, but that's nothing suspicious, YouTube. It's just her leg. What the fuck, Bulma? Das Vegeta, no, I'm just speechless. Alright, Komi, okay. She can communicate with the body language, so that's saying much. Man, let's go, I got them both! Rios Grammary and Akino. That's fucking awesome. And who the fuck is this? Oh, that's One Piece. You know what? Just from this point, I'm gonna do 2 contests. The largest Bulba has returned. And I know that I haven't seen anything like this till this point, because that's just enormous. It's not how they're supposed to be, but okay. Okay, I mean, those are pretty large, right? But then you take this one and it's nothing in comparison. It's like comparing the sun with the earth, right? Okay, we've seen you. And Bulma again, sure. Yes, double, thank you. The fuck are you? Well, they're kind of big, but sure, I'm gonna add it. But she loses to that chick. It's not even a chance that she wins. Okay, okay. That's sexy. That's cool outfit. I love it. Another Rios Grammary. Let's go. What the fuck? Okay. Don't hate it. Ooh. Is it Fate? I think it's Fate. I don't fucking know if it's Fate or not, but I think it's Fate. It looks awesome. Is it kind of revealing? Yes, it is, but it's more revealing than the rest. I think that contest doesn't work here. Hey, that's Rarity in one pack, 2 of them, thank you. And that's Mifra. And Mifra has a huge potential. God damn, look at Mifra. Okay, she's definitely gonna compete with huge Booba contest. This feels like a generic AI character. She has a huge bonkers, so yeah, sure. Okay. She's showing. I mean, your shirt already wet. We can see every. God damn, Nami! What the fuck? Also, what's up with this part of her body? It looks janky. But damn, girl. Okay. Hey, that's the second quintuplet. Ooh, there's also something loose there a little bit, so that's kind of revealing. But this leg feels off, by the way, very off. If her hip is here, lying around, but then her hip is also there, so that's not how the biology works, my man. Nonetheless, I enjoy this card. I like it. Okay, we have Genshin. Very cool. All right, sexy. She's pulling some clothes off. Don't know who you. I think we found the winner of the most revealing. Okay, I'm gonna dispatch the other pile of the most revealing, because it's, you know, dead horse. The most revealing without revealing too much. That's how I will put it. So yes, cool, awesome. Okay, 02, nice. I don't know who you are, but you look awesome. Please consider leaving a like, comment to the video, and subscribing for more, because I really enjoy this set, and I'm gonna open the next one that they are gonna release. That's also a very good contestant for revealing, because she has a good heart. I'm gonna put her there, but I think I will know who wins. Don't know who that. Boy, what the fuck is that ass? Look at that ass, man. Like, god damn, man. The emotions are. Fuck! I could have got so much more ZR, but I'm getting like freaking doubles. The emotions are getting all over the place with this set. I love it. Well, we've seen you. So, oh, fuck. Oh, that's Nezuko. Let's go. This one is okay, but you don't go beyond that, because Nezuko is cute. Don't sexualize her too much. This is acceptable. That's the line. That's where we draw it, okay? Don't go beyond that. With other characters, however, don't feel bad to go beyond that line. Like, be my guest, please. Also, I don't think she's wearing any panties. So that's a good... How many? I love her, but not like to have another much doubles. God damn it. We have 3 packs left. I hope there will not be any freaking doubles of higher rarity, because that sucks a little bit. And that's a double. And that's a double. Is this a double pack? Oh yeah, my go! Okay, you redeemed yourself. That's fucking awesome. Also, probably you can hear it. The neighbors are like building a whole new house apartments. Must be nice to have money for that, am I right? Okay. Also, 2 megabin in 1 pack. Very cool. Are they doubles? Yes, so fuck me. Holy shit, Nessa. You grown up a bit, huh? Yeah, definitely going to contest for Big Booba. And the last pack. And there's nothing thick, so there'll probably be doubles. Oh, okay. We've seen those, by the way. Yep, the doubles, sadly. Not a double. I mean, it's definitely a double D, if you know what I mean. Okay, sorry. So, contestants, the most revealing. I mean, it's obvious, it's this one. Because on the Booba part, they're the same. But she has, like... However, I mean, her pants are down and those are not. So that's a difficult choice, but she reveals more body, so I mean that's the winner of the most revealing card of this opening. And then we go to the Big Booba, but I think I already know who won. I mean, that's a good contestant, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but I think even those two, yeah, that's just unbeatable, man. What the fuck? I mean, you can definitely beat to this one, but I meant in other ways. That's the winners of this opening, and you are also a winner because you watched till the end. I love you so much here. Sorry. Okay, it became weird. I said a word with came after doing this, so I'm gonna stop it right here. See you, web travelers. God damn it. What is this opening?